Hey peeps, Rinos, my Lord Shadow Pinos. It's another Roblox video. But this time, instead of Joey or Big Banana, it's Tarquin from Tark the Shark. Go sub to his YouTube channel if you want. And we're playing today Car vs Train or Train vs Car Ultimate, where you just you get the idea. You put cars on the train tracks and get hit by a train. And yeah. Oh no, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Stuck. No! He's coming! No! And trains can fly in this, I guess. Hey, Denali, are you in here with me and Tarquin? What? No, actually, you're not in the game with us. Denali, you're not in the game with us. We're in the Car vs. Train game. But you're not in our game. Nope, because I can't see your name on the leaderboard. Nope, I don't. Oh, which train are you in? Yeah, we're always such good at commentary. We have the goodest at commentary. Oh my gosh. Tarquin, look at my car. It's like the car from SpongeBob. Oh my god. You are in, yes. You are in our lobby, yes. Yay! Get back in here, sir. You are arrested for being bad boy. Yes! I can steal you. Wait, what? Where'd you go? Oh, hey there, Denali. Do you like my car? It's like the boat car from SpongeBob. Hey, I think a train's coming. Vroom, vroom. I think you died. Yeah, I forgot I can't walk. I'm stuck. Yes, I'm unstuck. Yeah, vroom, vroom. I almost. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh! I'm being crushed by a train. What is happening? Dang it! I can't turn anymore. Bam! It's race car time. Vroom, vroom. Hi there, trains. Dang it. Well, if you can't beat 'em, join 'em. Oh crap! Ah! I survived? Yeah. Or at least I was. Oh no! My train! My train was just crushed. Hey, who is anybody? No. I don't think anybody survived this bus. Oh, that train just killed me. Just came out of nowhere. I hit myself with my own train. I got hit by a train and died. But look, I'm in first person. Oh my gosh. Um. Tarquin, you need to watch this video afterward. Tarquin, this is so funny. Oh, that was so funny. Train traffic. La 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 la. La 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 la. We're playing Roblox, so, and I'm recording, so no bad words. Yes. Oh my gosh. Tarquin, help me. Hey, oof. Oh hi. I want a double bus, actually. Where is the double bus? Wait. What? Well, I'm making one, and I'm awesome, so. Who wants to come on my to school? Tarquin, it's time to go to school. No, it's not. You play it with us all the time. Time to go to school. Get in the bus. No! You self-destructed my bus. Not this. This bus. No. Wee. Hi there, Tarquin. I got you. I kidnapped Tarquin. try straight tortoise and we survived. I'm gonna get back with you because it's the safer place. We were. Oh. Stop being toxic. Oh, I bet Joey just deafened. I'm gonna come pick you up in my van. Bro! Tarquin, get in the back of my van and just free bee bucks. Joey just rage quitted. I'm gonna try and jump the tracks. Holy crap, car! Yes! The car helped! The car helped! Okay, we're gonna go get you some free V-Bucks, Tarquin. I know! Oh, I want to get on the back of the tow truck. Yes, get on, get on. Come on, I need to hijack Tarquin again. I can't. I'm hijacking Tarquin. Let me hijack Tarquin. Get on. Get on. Because I want to hijack you. Get on. Get on here. Fine, I'll just go be the turret in Denali's vehicle. Bye. We need a clean dog. We need to stop the train. No, you fell in. You stink. I got hit by the train. Oh my. Yes. I want to be hijacked. I got hijacked. I willingly got hijacked. Oh my gosh! Yay! Train! Train! Yay! Train! Oh my gosh! phone? I don't. Who wants to see my cool car? I found this cool car. Do you want to see it? It's a spider. It only has 3 wheels. Oh my god! No, you just mute yourself. I meant deafen yourself. Deafen. It does. You can't hear. You can't hear, and they can't hear. Dude, I'm on the train. Help! Wait, what? It disappeared. Is this train coming forward or leaving? Holy crap! Oh my gosh, this car! Oh, it's a flying train! It's a flying train! It's a flying train! Oh, dang it! You like grandmas and yes? Well, I like not grow my grow. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh! Oh wow, you're small. Why are you so tiny? Oh my gosh! So I glitched it. I glitched it. Come, I glitched the game, so I'm like some ghost, and I can see my body. It's convulsing on the ground, but like I can go anywhere. Yeah, I can go anywhere, but do anything, and my body's just running around. Oh my gosh. Oh, I was in the train. I was in the train that Tarquin was in. Tarquin, so, oh my god! Tarquin, so from where you were standing, wait, where'd you go? Oh, my body left me. Where are you? Oh, to the left. I'm an idiot. That's to the right. Did I spawn you in the thing? Let's go. You know when you just get stuck? Where'd the bus go? Oh my god, train! Train came back! The train came back! It came back for more. This is so fun. the train. I'm on the train. I'm on like the weird train. I'm on the weird train. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Wait, it's flying away. This is great. Yeah, anyway, I think I'm gonna end the video here, upload it, and get back on to make another video. Oh, Denali fell. Okay, yeah, I know how to do it, but I'm gonna stop the thing here, and so bye guys.